So, good day guys, we're back at it again with another Java tutorial. So, today gagawa tayo ng calculator which consists of addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Um, we will also include the highest or getting the highest value and the lowest value between two inputted um, values by the user. So, let's try it. First, we're gonna be opening the Eclipse. So we will be doing a new project. Project. So let's name it calculator. Calculator. Then next. So yeah, we have the project calculator, and then we will click that calculator. Then the source. We will right click the source. Then new. Then package. So let's just put again calculator one, or whatever name you would like to, like what I've said in my first Java tutorial. So meron na tayo. We have right here the package. Then we will right click the package, then new, then class. So here in class again, we should name it in the capital first letter. So calculator project, or whatever name you would like to, as long as it is named accordingly or based on its function. So we will click the public static void main string, then finish. Then again, we will delete these comments. Then of course, when we need an input of the user, we again import the scanner. Yeah. Ah, we're wrong. Java that util that scanner. So yeah. There you go. So again, in public static void main scanner, then variable, whatever variable. Again, we will name it answer, then new scanner system.in. So in-instantiate natin again yung scanner, inassign natin siya sa variable na answer. So now we will going to ask for the first and second number. System.out.println, print line rather, print line, and then double quote, then what is the first number, or what is first number na lang. What is first number? Or we should not put the print ln, then just print. So then we will copy it. We will put here a second number. Then we'll now gonna ask for, but first we will make two integer with the name of answer 1, or again whatever name you would like to, then int answer 2. So yeah, then here we will type this one, answer 1. Answer 1 is equals to this one, answer only for the input. So this input, again, like what I've said in my previous video, will assign to this variable, which data type is integer. So basically, we can only input number since it is integer. Next int. So after that, we can copy that in the second part. Then we will change the answer 1 to answer 2 so that the second number that is inputted by the user will be stored in this one, insert answer 2. Instead answer 1. So now we will create methods. Let's say we will going to make 6 methods because we will be doing 6 function that will be called in this main method. So let's start with public void sum, then there. So we will just copy it. 3, 4, 5, 6. So why we copy it 6 times? Because we will do 6 functionality, which is the addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. We will get the highest value and the lowest value between the two numbers, or the first number and the second number. So here we will just align the so we will just change the name difference, since this method will do subtraction, so we will name it according to the function. Here product, since it's will be supposed to function as multiplying the first and the second number. Here quotient for division, highest value. So here sum. Before we will be able to sum these two inputs, or yung i-input ng user, is we have to call this method in the main method so that ma-access natin yung mga itong mga variables na nakalagay sa main method. Ma-access natin siya at magagamit natin siya sa iba pang method, which is dito sa sum, pwede sa difference, product, and so on and so forth. So tatawagin muna natin tong sum. Sum. Just like that. So ilalagay natin sa loob ng sum or ng parenthesis dito sa sum yung mga variable na gagamitin natin para sa method na sum. So dito. So again, ito yung main method. Ito yung pangalawang method, which is the sum. Pangatlo. So dito muna tayo sa sum. So dito sa main method, kukuhain natin tong answer 1 and answer 2. So lalagay lang natin answer 1 and answer 2. Then hindi pa siya natatawag dito, so tatawagin natin. We will call it here we will only type the identifier, but then here we will call it and by starting with its data type and the variable. So answer 1, because if we will only put the identifier, it will be error. Answer 2. So there's no error. We just call this one. So again, dito it's supposed to ask the user for the first number. Then pagkatapos ng itanong, the user will need to input, since there is input code right here. So yung i-input ng user is mapupunta dito sa answer 1 na integer. Then itong integer na answer 1 is tinawag sa sum. So that magagamit ng sum or pangalawang method na to yung answer 1. So pwede siyang manipulate dito sa method or even dito sa main method. So again, pagtapos dito, isi-system out naman, then it will ask for the second number. Then below that, this input again, which as the user for second number, input number 2. So answer, input, itong pangalawang input is mapupunta sa answer 2. So ito, mga container to. Ibig sabihin, dyan na i-store yung mga ini-input ng user. So again, tinawag siya, answer 2. Tinawag siya dito. Then we can do the functionality of this particular method. So let's try it. So answer 1, gagawa tayo ng bago int sum. So pangalanan natin, wag sum, int add naman. So equals to, tatawagin natin tong answer 1. I-assign natin yung addition ng answer 1 at answer 2 dito sa add na to. So let's try it. Answer 1, then answer 2. So, don't forget the semicolon. So yeah, we have it. We just need to print the output. We will just need to print this one to get the answer of this. Answer 1 plus answer 2. So for instance, the user input to the first number is 2, then to the second number is 4, then the 2 will be stored in this one, which when called can be accessed by this method. So answer 1, meron dyan 2 since the user inputted number 2. Dito, here we have 4 since the user inputted 4. So if so basically this plus sign is, its functionality is to sum two variable. So it will add the 2 and 4, which is the number that is stored in the answer 1 and answer 2. Then the equals or the result will be assigned to this one. So this one got the answer, the add or the integer add. So we will just system out to get the answer. Out the println. Here we will just type the add so that it will print or it will display the add. So by the way, we will have to display the result. So like this one, the result or the sum. So the sum is then colon, then that, so add, yeah, like that. This one will only display the word the sum is, but then this one, it will display the result of this two inputted value or two inputted value of the variables. So the sum is plus add. So the sum, it's supposed to be display this word and then the result of this one. So let's try it. F11 for the shortcut. Shortcut. So yeah, it asks the user what is the first number. It prints this one first. So let's input a number. So 2. Then so since we input, so we already inputted the first number, then it will print this one. What is the second number? As you can see here. So we will input since it has this one. So then we will input 4. So yeah, the sum is 6. It jumps or it access the content of this method, the sum. Yeah. So kasi yung content ng sum is pinag-add yung answer 1, which is in-input dito, at answer 2. And print yun. The sum is, it doesn't not print the add word because there is no code in this. That's why it print the 6, because it is assigned to the addition or summation of answer 1 and answer 2. So that's how it works. Then try it. Let's try to let's just add code in this one. If it will print the sum is 6. So let's try. So what's the first number, second number? Oh, yeah, it prints the word add because we add quote in here. So if we remove, it will output the summation of the first inputted and second number. So let's try 4, second number 4. So the sum is 8 because 4 plus 4, 8. That's how it is. So here in the difference, the idea is like this sum. So we need to put here this one, the name of this third method, difference. So that pagkatapos netong second, after the user inputted the second number, it will display the contents of this sum and difference. Yeah, that's the idea. So we will copy this parameter to the difference, so that because it also will need these variables in here, because it will subtract the inputted answer 1 and answer 2. So let's try it here. So we will just copy this one in here, since it is the same. Then we will copy this one, but we will change it because it is now difference, not sum. So we will only change this from minus. Then this one, not add, but subtract. Then here, we will change it to subtract. The same idea with the first one. So let's try it. Yeah, what is the first number? Let's try 5, then 3. So 5 plus 3, 8. And then the second one should be 5 minus 3 is 2. So 8 and 2. In the sum is 8, and in the subtraction is 2. Yeah, as you can... we forgot to change this one. Yeah, that's why there is also... it also display again this sum. So let's try it again. Okay, 5 and 4. So 5 plus 4 is 9. Then the difference is 1 because 5 minus 4 is 1. So there you have it. If you want to enter or what you call it again, enter this one, or if you would like to bring down this one, we will only have to put backslash and n. So let's try it again. Yeah, we have 5, then 3, 5 plus 3, 8, 5 minus 3, 2. Then there is now space right here because we put this one. That's the function of backslash and n, which is a new line. N is equal to new line. Yeah, don't forget that. So the same with the product. We again going to put that in here below that. So we will call the product method answer 1, answer 2. And then we will again copy this one right here. And then this one, we will just modify the content. So instead of subtract, multiplication, multiply. Yeah, so instead of minus, we have to do this one, asterisk. That is an operator for multiplication. So instead of difference, it has to be product instead. The product is here is multiply because we named it multiply right here. Yeah, so we will do the same with the quotient. Oh, forgot answer 1, then answer 2. So here quotient, then we will just copy and paste it. Then again the content, copy and paste. So instead of multiply, we will divide. Then here, instead of asterisk, it has to be backslash. Yeah, backslash is an operator used for division or quotient. So instead of the product is, the quotient is. Then here, instead of multiply, we have to put this divide. Yeah. So far we did the basic calculator. So we still have 2 right here. So let's try it if it is working. So it's supposed to add, subtract, multiply, and divide the two inputted numbers. So let's say 10 and 5. 5. So 10 plus 5 is 15, 10 minus 5 is 5. The product is 10 divide 5, or 10 times 5 is 50, then 10 divided 5 is 2. So far, we did it correctly. So now we will proceed to the highest value. So we'll just copy it here again. Then, yeah, we will change it to highest value. Yan, highest value. Then we will copy this one. Now we will do the if else for this one and this one, because we can just copy this one because it cannot be used for this one. So now we will do the if else. So if you don't know the if else yet, we're gonna do a video for that. Just request it below the comment, and just like and subscribe. It will do for me. So if the answer 1, so since we will going to get the highest value, so here if answer 1 is greater than, yeah, that's the sign of greater than answer 2. So here it says that if answer 1 is higher than answer 2, then this one must print or must do this one inside this set of curly brace. It has to system or display this one. The highest value is answer 1. Not answer 1. Value is, we add here the answer 1 to display this one, the first inputted number. So let's try it. If it is but before that we will do the else. Else, or if answer 1 is not greater than answer 2, else we will print this one. The highest value is, instead of answer 1, is answer 2, because if answer 1 is not the highest value, then it has to be the answer 2. So we will just copy it below to the lowest value method. So then we will copy it again right here, because we need that first inputted value or number by the user. So here, if answer 1 is greater than answer 2, then the lowest, instead of the highest, the lowest value is, and here the lowest. So if the answer 1 is greater than answer 2, then the lowest value is answer 2, or right? Then else is answer 1. If answer 2 is not the lowest, then the answer 1. So let's try it. So what is the first number? 5. Second number is 2. So yeah, as you can see, there is an error because it does not display the lowest value. Yeah, it only displayed the highest value, which is right or correct, because the highest value between the two numbers is 5. So let's just try to debug, or just try to correct it by adjusting something. So if it does not display, so if answer 1. Okay, we forgot to put the lowest value method right here. Lowest value. Lowest value. Yeah, lowest value. So it is now calling the lowest value method. So let's try it. What is the first number? Then let's try 10, 5. Then yeah, let's see. Oh yeah, it is right. So what is the first number? 10, 5. Then the sum is 15 because 10 plus 5 is 15. 10 minus 5 is 5. The product is 50 because 10 times 5 is 50. The quotient is 2. 10 divided 5 is 2. And the highest value is 10, which is correct. And the lowest value is 5. So correct. Good job. Now you know how to do a basic calculator plus getting the highest and lowest value. So now if you have any question about this one, just comment it down below or just message me directly to my Facebook account. I will also link that in the description. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Yeah, thank you very much for watching. I hope to see you in my next tutorial or even other videos, because this channel is for videos, in various videos rather. So thank you.